Ang sabi ni John Paul II sa Crossing the Threshold of Hope, page 3, the Pope is the man on earth who represents the Son of God, who takes the place of the second person of the omnipotent God of the Trinity. Tinatanggap mo ba ito? Yung pagkiklaim ni John Paul II na he takes the place of the second person of the Trinity, yes or no?
Yes.
Talaga bang tinatanggap mo yung claim ng Papa na he takes the place of the second person of the Trinity ayon kay John Paul II? Talaga bang tinatanggap mo? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sabi mo, the Pope is Jesus Christ Himself. Ayan ba talaga ang stand at position mo, Bro Alvin? Yan ba talaga? Yes or no?
I answered yes, moderator.
Sa madaling salita, ang Papa sa Roma ay tinitake niya ang place ng Diyos dito sa lupa. Yes or no?
Yes.